I got some new, well, goodies or gadgets. I got a soldering iron because I wanted to do some things, a project with it. Anyway, let's start with the soldering iron itself. 60 watts, 120 volts, it's 25. Obviously, here it is. I love it. It feels actually pretty good. Second, it comes with a digital multimeter. You just turn on so you can see it. Alright. You got your tiny little zip ties. In a tray, you got your, right here, for the multimeter. You got your service welding flux. I got this from China. You got two tweezers. Oops. I got poked by one. These do hurt. So keep these things on if you're not using them. Right here. And a board. Yep, I think I will use this for something. It also comes with a kit, like instructions, how to use it. Okay, I see. That's the sponge to wipe it off. That is genius. And tiny little screwdrivers and these two for the soldering iron. I like it. I really like it. Great. Let's see what it says here. Okay, so this just shows you how to download their book or something like that. Anyway, yes. That is what I have, what I got. And this tool. Need that. So, I tested this. This does do amazing. Well, for the time, it will. It feels good. It doesn't feel cheap like that one multimeter I tested. Well, I felt like it's not. It doesn't creak like the last one we had. But that's all for now. Just wanted to show you what I got. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. We'll get back to the normal things coming soon. I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. See yous.